How to deposit paper money on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually deposit paper money on Cash App. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to deposit paper money or you just like to add funds with the paper money, it's actually very simple to do that. All you have to do is just go ahead and then simply launch the Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App over here, just tap on the home icon, which is right over here. Once you tap on the home icon, you'll be able to see all these sorts of information where you have to actually just scroll down to the bottom. You'll find more ways to add money. You can actually deposit with a paper money at a nearby location. So just tap on deposit paper money here. Once you tap on paper money, it'll ask you to simply enter your legal first name as well as your legal last name. So let me go ahead and do that and then just tap on the next option. Then after you've done that, it'll also ask you to enter your date of birth, right? So just go ahead and enter your birth date and then your birth month and then your birth year. Then just tap on the next option from the bottom. So once you do that, it'll ask you to enter your social security number, only the last 4 digits though. Make sure to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, and after you do that, you'll be able to see a list of locations where your paper money is located, and then you should be able to find them and then actually use them. That's all it takes to deposit paper money on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.